Hi everyone, welcome to a short but very important video from Cryptomarket. This is a scam alert. If you receive an email like this, for security and compliance reasons, please upgrade your wallet before the end of this month. This upgrade is essential to safeguard your assets and comply with AML and CTF regulations. Click the button below to complete the upgrade process. My friends, this is a scam. Please delete the message automatically, never click on the link, and do not open or download the attached PDF. And also don't reply to the email. I know that when we see this type of message, we would like to reply to the email and insult the scammer, but don't do it. If we reply to the scammer's email, he filters us as an active email, and most likely he will start sending many more emails. Because scammers get huge databases, and among those databases, there are many emails that are no longer used. It is convenient for scammers that we reply to them, and that way they only keep the active emails. So never reply to these emails. The Phantom team will never send emails asking for that. With that supposed upgrade, they drain your funds. The first red flag in this type of email is the sense of urgency. Scammers always try to generate fear and anguish so that the victim acts automatically and does not have time to think and analyze. The second red flag is the email from which it comes. Look, it is a strange email. Phantom Wallet mails 8299. But here is the trick of the scammers. Look, the domain can generate doubts. The official domain of the Phantom Wallet is phantom.com, not phantomwallet.com. So look, a person who is scared by the message will not be able to distinguish between phantom.com or phantomwallet.com. Remember that we must be very attentive and defensive, and we must always verify that the emails come to us from official accounts. We must be very attentive because many criminals want to confuse us and steal our cryptocurrencies. No matter where in the world you live, these emails can reach you because scammers send them in many languages. Stay alert and see you in a next video.